Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel again. As you can see that this whole month we were talking about fitness. Today we will be talking about how and why I meal prep. If you're questioning what is meal prep, I'll be giving you some information on that. But if you have yet to watch my previous episode on the 5 practical things that I did to help me shed off 14 kg, helping me turn from an XL to an M, I will encourage you to go back to the video again and you will know why I choose meal prep as one of the first elaborated topic, because meal prep is the most effective and efficient way that has helped me to lose weight. So if you're wondering what is meal prep basically is a process of preparing your meals ahead of time with a plan in mind. So for those who desire to lose weight, gain muscle mass, have a healthy lifestyle, meal prep is the way. I started on meal prep a year ago and I am astounded by the results of it. But let's dive in. Why did I start with meal prep? Why do I do it? Actually, I did not start meal prep because I wanted to lose weight. 2 simple reasons. First, I wanted to eat healthy. And unfortunately, healthy food options around my work area or wherever I travel to is a little limited. So out of convenience, I will always eat things that is convenient for me. For example, a packet of rice, a bowl of noodles, or delicious Thai food is really nice. I can guarantee you that. Okay, so because of that, I tend to feed my body with food that probably may not be as nutritious as I want them to be. So since after reading the book Change Your Breakfast, Change Your Life, I see the importance of feeding nutritious, healthy food to my body. So because the healthy foods options around wherever I go is really limited, I decided to, okay, I'm just going to start meal prep. I'm going to bring my meals to work and I have healthy food wherever I want. That's for the first reason. Second reason why I meal prep, simple reason, eating out is too costly. I decided to cut down my budget on my food. So meal prep, by bringing my meals that I have prepared at home to work, it will help me to say no to the expensive or classy croissant from the cafe. It will help me to say no to the delicious restaurant food. I mean, I have no problem eating that, okay? But if you know me, I eat to live and I don't live to eat. So food is not a priority for me. So there's 2 simple reasons. I have no intention to use meal prep to lose weight, but after I started meal prep, I realized it's more effective than me going to the gym 4 to 5 times a week. So previously when I did not do my meal prep, I was hitting the gym 4 to 5 times a week trying to keep fit, keep my fitness level up. Okay, then subsequently I started meal prep. I changed my gym frequency to 1 or 2 times a week, and my weight has went down even more as compared to me regularly hitting the gym. So it really proves the theory of the 80-20 ratio. 80% is all about what you eat. 20% is about your exercise and your workout. So because I focus on the 80%, I start to be aware of what I'm feeding my body. My weight went down, I feel fresher, I feel lighter, I feel more energetic than before. So here are 5 steps that I took that can help you to start meal prep. Step 1, plan your recipe. Planning. You don't go to the supermarket before knowing what to cook, because I have experience. I did not plan what I want to eat and end up I'm going to the supermarket, bring back ingredients without knowing how to cook them, what to do with them, and end up I had a little bit of food wastage over them. So when I say plan, you need to look ahead of your schedule, your tasks, your errands, your locations, wherever you are for that week. So for example, I usually do my meal prep on Sunday. So I need to look ahead. Oh, from Monday to Friday, the following week, where am I going, what are the appointments that I have, what are the meetings that I need to attend to. For example, there's a day that I'm out for meetings all the way. I do not go back to my office or what. Obviously, I do not need meal prep for that day. If I am meeting a close friend over for lunch, it will be a little bit sad if I bring my meal prep and share to my friend. Hey, let's have some nice food, but hope you don't mind, I have my meal prep. It's a little bit extreme for me. Okay, so before I meal prep, I look ahead. How many days am I able to consume my meal prep? And I will plan according to that. And what are the days that I'm out? What are the days I'm in? And my recipe will go according to my movement for the week. So planning is important. Second, before you head to the supermarket, take a look at your pantry first. Many times, I go to the supermarket, get tons of food for my meal prep, and guess what? When I head back home, I see that I have duplicated items at home. And it becomes a headache on how I can clear the food. Okay, so before you head to your supermarket, take a look at your pantry first. You will realize that you probably will be able to whip up a meal with the things in your pantry alone. Get your creativity going. Okay, so it's up to you to create your own signature meal prep. Not too difficult to whip up. I'll be sharing with you a little bit more on my signature meal prep recipe later on. Okay, and that's for step 2. Look at your pantry before you head to the supermarket. Step 3, yes, it's time for shopping. After having a list of things that you need to buy, head to the supermarket. And if you are looking at batch cooking for lunch, dinner, or any portions, okay, just make sure that the big portions of food, for example, broccoli, your celery, you probably need just one. You don't need one bunch of celery per day. But if you're looking at small amounts of food, for example, your mushrooms, your tofu or what, you probably need 2 portions depending on the number of days that you are going to prepare. Usually when I prepare on Sunday, I have my meal prep Monday to Thursday so that I have Friday or 1 day buffer just in case someone wants to meet up for lunch, just in case that something cropped up, I'm unable to consume my meal prep. I still have 1 more day to consume my 4 days worth of meal prep. Okay, so out of 7 days, 4 days of lunch, I eat my meal prep. So that's really effective. 4, schedule a day to batch cook. What do I mean by batch cooking? It means you are going to cook your lunch, your dinner, your meal prep for the entire week. Yes, I took a while to research on what are the health benefits if I were to batch cook and leaving them in the fridge or the freezer. I took a while to convince myself that the food is healthy, okay? But based on research, the nutrients will be retained in the food even if you leave it in the fridge or the freezer. Of course, you don't leave it in the fridge or the freezer for more than a week. Consume them before 3 days maximum. Okay, so when I need to have my meal prep from Monday to Thursday, I schedule Sunday to batch cook. Of course, I can schedule on Monday morning to have the freshness of my meal prep, but I have other commitments to do. So I usually schedule my batch cooking on Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday, I leave my meal prep in the fridge. Okay, and for portions for Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'll leave it in the freezer. So before I want to eat, the day before, I just bring it down. That's for step number 4, schedule a day. So you need to work backwards. If you know that this week, you are going to have your meal prep on Monday to Thursday, Sunday will be a good day for you to batch cook. If you are eating your meal prep on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, then maybe Wednesday is a good day to batch cook. Many of the people out there, they actually recommend to batch cook over the weekend to start their week right. Monday, you have your meal prep, okay? But I believe every one of your schedule is different. We all run differently, okay? So find a plan that works for you and work backwards. That's for number 4. Step 5, Cook, cool, and contain. Get your cooking going. After you have cooked finish, get it cooled down before you contain it in an airtight container. As mentioned, 2 days worth of food will be in the fridge. So for example, I batch cook on Sunday. The portion for Monday, Tuesday will be in the fridge, and the portion for Wednesday, Thursday will be in the freezer. So by the time Tuesday comes, when I want to consume my meal prep from the freezer, I will bring it down on Tuesday. So by Wednesday, it will be defrosted in the fridge. So whenever I want to eat, all I need to do is to pop into the steamer. It comes out healthy and fresh, just like freshly cooked food. When I share meal prep with my mom, she was hesitant, she was skeptical, she doubted me. Are you gonna eat overnight food? Is it gonna be healthy or what? But after doing much research, I mean, I'm eating meal prep for a year. Nothing is going wrong in my body. And the truth is, after I started meal prep, I actually feel much lighter, more fresh, and it gives me more energy to last me through the day as compared to indulging in a plate of rice, noodles, and the yummy delicacies around in Singapore. Alright, so that's for step number 5, cook, cool, and contain. So what is my signature meal prep? If you have seen my previous episode, you realize that I'm trying to go meatless for lunch because dinner is not an option. So whenever I'm preparing my meal prep for my lunches for the week, I tend to avoid meat, poultry in my meal prep. So I will have a protein substitute. So if I don't eat my chicken or my fish or what, okay, I have a protein substitute, probably an egg, a tofu, so I still get my proteins. And whenever I'm doing my meal prep, I will make sure that I have colors in my lunch box. I really love to see colors. Okay, so I will make sure I have my whites, my red, my green, my orange, my purple, and brown, and every color too. Okay, if I am seeing just whites and whites and whites, high chance there will be a lot of carbs in my meal prep. Okay, and that's not the intention of meal prep. So because I started on my meal prep, I'm able to decide on what I can feed my body, what I put inside my body, and I can make sure that the meal prep that I prepare will be full of colors. Okay, so I have my tofu as a replacement of protein because I do not have any meat for the meal for my lunch. Okay, I tend to have my greens and my yellow and my red from capsicum and the bell peppers. I like to have some browns in my meal prep, for example mushroom. Okay, and I like to add my purples from purple onions. Okay, so that is my signature meal prep. Just a simple ingredient, bell peppers of all 3 colors, mushroom, tofu, and purple onions. 4 ingredients. So how will I do? I will pop the tofu into my steamer. I'll let it steam for 10 to 15 minutes. I will stir fry all the bell peppers together with some garlic and my purple onions and my bell peppers. Did I say that? Okay, so I will stir fry my bell peppers, my purple onions together with a little bit of garlic and seasoning. Some of the seasoning that I put, probably Cajun seasoning, stick seasoning, any seasoning that I can see in the pantry. Okay, but minimum, I don't spam so much of the seasoning and end up making my healthy meal prep into an unhealthy one. Okay, so everything in moderate portion. After stir frying, so I have 2 separate dishes, tofu as well as my stir fried vegetables. That's all for my meal prep. That's what I eat for my lunches. That is my signature meal prep. Fast free, easy to prepare, fast to prepare, not too difficult. You don't need any cooking skills to whip up my signature meal prep. Okay, cooking skills needed, level 1. So if there is one thing, one take home point from this whole video to summarize everything that I've said, meal prep has changed my lifestyle, has helped me to eat healthy, and most importantly, I'm able to control what I feed my body, because today I am placing my health as a priority. I'm not saying that every one of you need to embark on this meal prep and feel so healthy, so over here, okay? But today, I would like to encourage you to be more aware of what you're putting in your body. Because if you want to run this race called life further, better, let us put our health as a priority today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the next episode.